G'day, g'day. Same, but different. You'll check it out. Zeus 24 volt, the new RigLink remote rinse module on the back. So there's options available for different upgrades. And if you're running petrol engines or you want to run multiple configurations, high flow bypass, start stop for your pressure cleaner, the RigLink can be incorporated into that particular system. So there's multiple functions on the remote control that can be pre-ordered. But today, just on the Zeus 24 volt, we have just a remote rinse module. The new tough gun, and we've seen that before, from a pencil to a fan. So probably a majority of the time, depending if you're shooting height, depends on where it'll sit. But check out the distance and you'll see that from a perspective, if you can see that through the camera, that is quite a long way. Not as punchy as the P40, but still quite a good throw. And if you could see that there, we'll go up over the top of the building. And I reckon we're probably 2 or 3 meters over the top of the building. So if we're doing a rinse on this commercial application, and you can see in the on-cove here, we're getting quite good flow. Down low, quick adjustment of the gun. These things are priced to impress. So like nothing else on the market, German made, German quality, at currently prices that you'll go, you've got to give this thing a go. So far the feedback on this has been really good. Quick connects in the hose. Our 5/8 Softwash hose is super flexible. So the 18-inch reels, 12-inch double stack. There's some electric reels on the website as well, but this is a particular compact system which will have multiple tanks sitting behind. Bit of a cluster in the workshop there today. There's a few systems going on, but I just wanted to show you this in our final test, and that's the Zeus 24 volt Softwash system. Thanks guys, Blue Tongue Industries.